Hey fifth graders, I've got a new math station 5, that deals with multiplying decimals. So just to remind you, to find your math stations, you go to Google Classroom, Classwork tab, and it's Unit 4 Math Stations. You have to scroll down. It will be right here, Station 5, under Unit 4 Math Stations. Team captains, please make sure you model how to find that and display your screen so your team sees it. So this is a brand new one. Team captains, please go over the expectations. Cameras on at all times. Every student is participating. Every student opens the assignment and completes the assignment. You're responsible and respectful. Use your video and chat appropriately. If you have questions, please ask the team captain. And you never leave the breakout room. Just a reminder that the team captain will notify me via chat or a Google form to let me know who has met these expectations so that I can reward you with dojo points. I've got my team captain lists. Notice I've added the green co-captain. So if I have a captain that is absent or I have pulled the captain to work with me in small group, I have another captain that's ready to step in. Also, just a reminder, this time for math stations, I'm not assigning team captains. You and your team may choose. You may not go to the same center every time. Please remember that you choose different centers each time we go. And team captains, here are your wheel of names. You know what to do. Copy and paste it into the web browser and use it to call on your teammates to answer questions. Teammates, you should be ready to answer questions. So everyone should have something to solve some math problems on: paper and pencil or whiteboard and marker. So team captains, when you share your screen, please make sure you click share the sound, because remember, you're going to show this video to your team. Team captains, you'll go over all of the directions with them. All right, let me jump right into how you complete this center. So this is a new center, and it's dealing with food, because food is my favorite thing in the world, and multiplying decimals. You definitely need to know how to multiply decimals if you're ever going to go grocery shopping. You don't want to get overcharged at the grocery store. So this is one that we actually need to practice all the time. So you have your choice. I've got one on candy, the Snack Shack, and a bake sale. That one makes me hungry looking at it. So what I want you to do with your team is choose the one that you want to complete. But what I want to point out is you've got the big poster and then the assignment. And with the assignment is a smaller poster. And you can zoom in or out by clicking the magnifying glass. Zoom out or zoom in. Okay? So I've already kind of typed on this one. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. And what you're going to do is first read the question, select 3 pounds of any 3 different candies, so 9 pounds total. How much would it cost to buy 9 pounds of this candy for 3 of your friends? So if I chose candy corn, and candy corn is $5.78 per pound, I'm going to put $5.78 per pound here. Over here, I have to figure out what 3 pounds of that is. So $5.78 times 3. I have to figure that out. Jelly beans, same thing. $8.96. I would type that in there. And then over here, I'm going to figure out, well, if that's 1 pound, how much is 3 pounds of that? So $8.96 times 3. Then I'm going to choose my next candy. I'm going to type it in and the price per pound. Okay, how do I figure out 9 pounds? Well, you're going to work with your team to figure that out. And then how do you figure out the price for 36 pounds? Well, you're going to work with your team to figure that out. This is challenging, but you have a variety of strategies that you can use. Team captains, call on your team and ask them the strategy that they used. And then for number 2, team captains, you're going to read it or call on someone in your team to read it. Complete it here. 3, complete it here. 4, complete it here. The one box that is confusing is this box, and that's for figuring out the 3 pounds, because here that's 1 pound. Well, how much is 3 pounds of that? Okay. And when you come to this, you're going to notice that these are already in here. Feel free to erase them and add your own candy if you like, okay? If you choose to do the Snack Shack, same types of questions. You're going to use this poster, okay? Going to answer them in the boxes. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that one only has 4. Yes. Or you can choose the bake sale. I'm going to zoom out. Remember, I go up here, zoom out. Okay, so here's my poster. But if I scroll down, here's the poster and the questions. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Team captains, do a good job of calling on your teammates and asking them to explain. If they don't understand, you try to explain or have someone else in your team explain. Now, after you've finished all 3 of these wonderful looking snack activities, or if you just choose one, that's fine too, you're going to fill out your exit ticket. And this should say Station 5, not Station 4, sorry, Station 5. Don't forget, when you're finished, you are going to click Turn It In, and then team captains direct your team's attention to the Flipgrid. They will be completing this Flipgrid to tell me what they learned and their center number. Please, again, team captains, share your screen. Make sure you click Share Sound, and everyone should be working with their cameras on together. No one should be sitting there quiet with their camera off. Thank you and have fun.